Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
All right, Ms. Pippin, why don't you come on up and have a seat here at the table?
Which chair?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter, okay.
All right, I have something that Ms. Vitus filed yesterday.
Cindy Bottoms,
Noran Vitus, your attorney.
filed on me.
She filed this saying
Oh.
she is withdrawing as your attorney.
Good.
She no longer represents you.
Mhm. Well, it's
So-
ridiculous. I can't even have
Okay,
a.
so I need to ask you,
Hmm?
are you going to hire an attorney or do you wish that I appoint an
No,
attorney?
I don't want a public offender because there is no, I didn't do anything. Well, can I speak, please?
Yeah, well, yeah, hold on just a second.
Okay, I have been to every hearing and I have not spoken one time. This whole time, 9 months or how long it was, I've not said one word.
Mhm.
I've not said one word.
And
So-
there's a good reason for that.
Well, they didn't. We didn't.
I'll tell you what the reason is.
What?
Anything you say could be used against you in a trial. So every attorney would say, you
Well-
don't say
Well,
anything.
that's not what they said.
Okay, well,
But I
that's
thought you were supposed to talk.
not here.
Okay, well,
When your trial comes, that's when
okay,
you're.
well, that's ridiculous. A trial for a scratch. And I have not seen any proof. They have to have proof for a restraining order like that. A proof of a scratch. Cindy Bottoms is in a crime with me, a scam. She is in Yelm and I was arrested by you guys, which is not your jurisdiction. It is Yelm's. But I talked to the guy at Yelm the other day. And it's not your jurisdiction either. And so I just wanted to know how she gets, the judge that put this on me, how she gets that with a scratch, a 4. I've never talked to anybody against, and then also too, there has not been one time that I have always been polite. But Cindy isn't, you guys have that charge now, so you're gonna have my house and you're gonna have everything that goes with it because I can't still go there. I can't still go there. Cindy Bottoms is a 30-time felon. I've never been arrested. Taxpayer to Washington State, 25 years. And I can't believe that the way that I've been treated. It's ridiculous. You get nothing. I can't believe the police lie is bad. And the judge that was always seeing me in that one room, he did it too, because I want to see what you guys have on every time that I was here. I want to see what they wrote. Because I didn't say anything. And also the prosecuting attorney is a sheriff. And he has talked to me a lot when he's not supposed to, pretending he's somebody else. And I have been harassed mercifully by the police. Harassed. Thrown out of my car. I'm a female. I don't deserve it. This woman, Cindy Bottoms, is going to get about 8 charges from me today. And I don't want to know why the judge put a restraining order like that on me, because you have to have a lot of proof. And I still, to this day, I want to see proof, like today. I want to see proof. I didn't scratch her. We don't even know each other. I've been trying to call the district attorney for a long time, every time.
They won't talk to you.
Well, that's fine. Well, that's his
Because
loss.
you're the defendant in a criminal.
Well, but see, this is right, but I didn't do anything. This is all made up. Show me the proof. I haven't even, when I went to jail 5 days, well, I was beaten up by guards in the jail.
Ms. Vitus, do you wish to weigh in here?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I apologize. I was just led into the Zoom hearing. I heard just the tail end of that, but unfortunately, just the tail end of the conversation.
I had
But-
advised.
That's okay.
Ms. Pippin's indicated she would like to talk and I had advised.
No, I didn't want,
counsel would
I
recommend
thought she was
not.
gonna be here. You know, nobody's here.
Okay, Ms. Vitus is present. She
Well,
is
that's okay.
present.
It's okay. Hi, Noreen.
Okay.
It's okay. Thank you.
Ms. Vitus, go ahead.
Uh,
I
Good
have your
afternoon.
motion to withdraw.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Attorney Noreen Batis
She's-
on behalf of Elizabeth Pippin, who is present in the courtroom. Today, Your Honor, I am coming forward on a motion to withdraw at this time. Unfortunately, there's been a breakdown of communication between Ms. Pippin and our office, and I feel that there has
Because you
been.
never call. You never call. I haven't heard from you in a month. I told you, don't go, please, don't go and represent me when I don't know anything you're doing.
Okay, she's
That's it.
withdrawn.
That's fine. Thank you.
Okay, I will grant the motion to withdraw.
Damn, she could have told
All
me
right.
that.
Thank you, Ms. Is it Vitus or Batis? How do you say it?
It's Batis, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll try to get that right in the future.
Oh, no worries at all. And I do have one other matter, Your Honor, as well on your docket this afternoon.
Okay, well, we're on Ms. Pippin's case now, so I'll call Mr. Rubel in a bit.
Absolutely. Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh,
Thank you.
I thought Cindy Bottoms had to be here. Doesn't she have to be here?
No,
Well, that's what they said. See, this is. Why doesn't she have to be here? Really,
because we're not doing anything today except for determining whether you're going to trial, which is your next court date, I believe, is July 30th. And that's where the issue of.
and it's gonna
whether-
be with the prosecutor?
I'm sorry?
It's gonna be with the prosecutor?
They won't be sitting there, the prosecutor.
Well, no,
will
I
be
mean
sitting
over there.
Because they're not your lawyer.
No, I mean, no, yeah.
Okay.
Not my lawyer. I just was asking.
So, right now, Ms. Pippin, you are charged with the crime of assault 4th degree.
Mhm.
I can't do anything about that. The charge has been filed. That's
Right.
the prosecutor
That's
files it.
fine.
Please do the report and the prosecutor files it. Once
Right.
it's filed, that's it.
Okay, what, can I ask you something, sir?
So hold on.
Oh, okay.
Let me give you some information, then you can ask if there's a question after that.
Okay, thank you.
Right now, you have a trial scheduled for Wednesday, the 30th of July. So you don't have an attorney because Ms. Batis just withdrew as your attorney.
Okay,
You can hire another attorney, or you can tell me you can't afford an attorney, and we can talk about whether you're eligible for a public defender.
okay.
So those are your choices. So what do you want to do by way of being represented by an attorney?
Well, I
You
want-
can't just tell me now that you didn't do it and think that the charge is going away. I can't do anything.
No, I
about
didn't,
it.
I didn't say that. I just wanted to see, because like I said, since I've been coming here, I've never talked to anybody. I've never spoke to a judge. I've
We're
never
speaking-
spoken to
we're
anybody,
speaking
so I
today.
don't know. Pardon?
We're speaking today.
Well, that's okay. Well, that's fine,
So what
but,
would you like to do about being represented by an attorney?
well, I don't think I should get one with a public defender, because
That means then you have to pay for,
that's fine.
are you going to do that?
I did it with her,
Okay,
10 grand,
so you'll find your own attorney. All right,
but I can't,
can't do what?
no, because why is it like next week? We have a week? I hired a lawyer already, so I didn't know that, so,
The lawyer you
Well-
hired just withdrew.
well, why is the prosecution not here?
They-
Why-
Ms. Terrakina
Well,
is
why
the
is she not
prosecutor.
saying, why are you not?
Because she's just listening right now.
Oh, okay.
It's not her job to tell you what to do. You're gonna have to tell me what you want to do, and I've heard you say that you were going to hire an attorney.
Well, I don't want a public defender,
Okay,
so,
so your options are to hire an
Right.
attorney,
okay, so,
seek an appointment of counsel.
but I want to know, okay, if it is, when I ask you a question, can you, like, if I said it's not their jurisdiction?
Yeah, I can't answer that for you.
Well, I can,
No, I can answer that for
you can, it's
And-
not there.
Well, but I'm not going to, because that's,
Well, I know, but,
okay, we're going around in circles.
but no, we're not. I just asked you one question. That's it. I
the
just asked you a
case was-
question.
Do you have a police report? Mr.
I would love to see it, because I've not seen that. Oh, I'm sorry. I've never seen it.
Either have I.
Okay. Well, this is a big deal to me.
Of course it
I'm
is.
55 and I've never been arrested. I've never had a crime, clean slate. This is a huge deal,
Huh? I get it.
huge. Do I need to ask?
You know, you just talk
Sorry.
to me.
Oh, you
Not
talk to you?
right now, you're not talking. You're
Oh,
just
okay.
sitting there quiet.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, can you give a police report?
I do.
Would you forward it to us, please? We're currently working with a speedy trial waiver that goes to the 4th of August, which is why the court dates are set for the 30th of July.
Come out.
Given that that's the expiration of speedy trial, we're going to keep the July 30th trial date, and I will reset a new court date. Ms. Pippin,
Are you talking to me? Oh,
give Ms. Pippin an opportunity to hire counsel. That's going to have to happen pretty quickly.
who is that on the camera? Is that, I don't know that person.
It's not related to kids.
Oh, okay.
Most people come in by the camera, not in person. You came in person, that's your choice, and you did, that's fine.
It's my first time, so. Can I say something?
In a minute,
Can I?
in a minute.
Oh, yes, sir.
All right. Ms. Pippin, like I said, your speedy trial right runs pretty quickly. That's why the trial is currently scheduled for the 30th of July. So I'm going to reset this hearing, which is called a confirmation hearing. I'm going to reset this to next Wednesday at 2 o'clock. And I'm going to give you a copy of the police report that you've been asking for all this time. You're going to have it. Now, you've told me you do not want me to appoint a public defender. I'm willing to appoint a public defender for you, but you said you don't want one. And you've told me you are going to hire somebody to represent you.
Well,
So you are going to need to do that in the next week
okay.
so that they can appear with you next Wednesday.
Well, like I said, I did have one.
Right? Yes, but they just withdrew, and you said, good. You were-
No, that's not why.
No, that's exactly what you said.
Well, okay. Okay, so can
They
I?
have withdrawn. They no longer represent you.
Okay, I
You
know.
need an attorney
That's
by
fine.
next Wednesday.
Great. Also, can I ask you a couple questions? Can
Do
I?
you understand what I just said?
Yes,
Okay, and you understand, I'm going to give you the police reports. You can see.
I want the restraining order
Okay,
as well.
Okay,
That's been
well-
deleted that yet last
no, I
week
know you
that,
want it all
No.
gone, but they can't happen that way.
well, I called and they said there was no restraining
There
order.
is a restraining order.
Well, then I want copies and you're supposed to be served a restraining order as well. I was not. So,
Because the judge at the time noted that you were present in court when the judge told you you could not have contact with Cindy.
bottoms,
Bottom.
yeah, and she
Yes.
has my property,
Yes.
30-year marriage that she has been selling on Facebook
Okay,
Marketplace.
that's.
Well, that's why she
Yeah, I
got the
understand you
restraining.
have a whole bunch of things that.
No, it's not things, it's true. I'm telling you
All
the
right,
truth.
we're not doing this. We can be here all afternoon and not
Well,
get anything.
yeah, but I would
No,
like
no,
somebody to hear that.
No,
I didn't do
We
anything.
cannot do anything about your charge or your no contact order
Okay.
today.
Well, I don't-
Nothing.
okay.
We cannot do anything about either one.
Well,
of
they
those.
told me it was not there the other day when I called. It's not there.
Your Honor,
Yeah,
the assigned DP on this case is asking whether or not If Ms. Pippin is not able to hire counsel at that next hearing, will it be possible to have a pro se colloquy?
Yeah, that will happen, but it's not appropriate, I don't think. And if they're watching, they can figure that out, why it's not appropriate. We'll figure out what we're gonna do. In the meantime, I don't think there's any other thing we can do at this point.
And it was the Elm, right? And I was Pierce County residents.
That doesn't matter.
Okay, well, I'm just telling you, I don't understand this. And so when I
What
was,
you've asked for is a copy of the police report, I'm gonna give you that. You've
Right,
asked
just
for a
like-
copy of the no contact order, I'm gonna give you that.
okay, thank you.
And you're going to come back next Wednesday and tell the judge, whether it's me or somebody else, that you have an attorney and they will be with you or appearing by camera, or that you wish us to appoint a public defender. Those are your options. And you're gonna tell us that next Wednesday. I'm gonna give you these documents so you can read them and then decide. But I will tell you right now, next Wednesday is not a day for the court to make any decision on the no contact order or about your trial date.
Like I said, I don't care about the no contact order. She's contacted me this whole time and I've
All right.
not one time.
Uh,
I follow the
Mr.
rules.
Okay, we're gonna give you a document that tells you you'll be here next week, a copy of the police report, and a copy of the no contact order, the things you've all asked for. So you'll be here next Wednesday, and the only thing you're gonna tell us next Wednesday is who is going to represent you,
Okay,
okay?
Mhm.
All right, so we'll see you next Wednesday, and that's the
and,
only
and
topic
like I
of
said, it was
conversation.
okay that they beat me up by 4 guards in the jail.
We're not talking about
Well,
that either.
I am.
Okay, but in a different
Well, no.
circumstance. Thank you, we're all done.
Okay, well, I think this is, well, whatever. This
Okay.
is all. So make sure Cindy, say, why is Cindy not here? You, Washington State wasn't there.
All right, fine,
Where's she
We can-
at?
I don't know.
Well, she needs to be here. She's the one that put this on me, not Washington State.
Okay, thank you.
They said that she would not be here. Let me read this, please.
Here, you can do it back there or out in the lobby or once you get home. Thank you. Elon, are you ready? Good afternoon.
See you. I'm appearing on behalf of Ashley Degner, or Degner, I should say. Miss Degner, I just spoke with her on the phone a few minutes ago. She's actually in the process of traveling right now for her employment. I think she's somewhere up in Seattle. We discussed this coming case. We're here for a trial status. Ms. Degner just completed her prerequisites. We're just in the process of, I need to review those and then we'll file them with the court. I'd like an opportunity to negotiate this settlement with the prosecutor now that those things are done, but obviously the case has been progressing, getting close to trial. So I discussed with Ms. Degner a speedy trial waiver, advised her of her rights and need for the continuance. She's in agreement and she asked that I appear on her behalf and sign off on the waiver on her behalf. I also took a photo of it and texted it to her per her request. So she has that notice as well.
Thank you. Any objection from the state, Mr. Arkin?
Your Honor, no objection to this. You continued.
Thank you. Elon, I'm looking at 13 August for confirmation and 25 August for trial.
Taking the first week of August off, so that's going to be incredibly busy time for me, but I can make that
I'll
work.
push it 1 week.
That would be really nice. Thank you.
No, we're friendly court.
I do think we're going to get this resolved short of trial. I need some time. That's all.
Okay, so I'll change the trial date to the Wednesday, the 27th.
Perfect.
20 August at 2 o'clock
Confirmation.
for confirmation, and 27 August at 9 if there's a trial.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Appreciate that. Counsel, if I may have a copy of those dates.
Yep. Give to the short. And that will conclude our calendar for today. Ms. Pippin, you're still here. What's up?
Can I talk to you for a minute?
I'm sorry?
Can I talk to you for a second?
Go ahead.
Is that okay?
Yeah, but remember, we can't do anything about,
No, the charge is fine. I just wanted to make sure you understand exactly what happened.
yeah, I understand you want to tell me that. I can't do anything about that, and telling me doesn't serve any interest of yours. So.
Well, because you guys have a charge now on me, right?
Mhm.
But Cindy, I don't know her.
Okay,
No, really, she was in a real estate thing with me. Right, and she's,
yeah, I can't do anything about that. Telling me doesn't change anything.
well, I didn't touch her.
Okay, telling me that doesn't change anything.
But like I said, I've never seen,
Convincing a jury that.
but
you
I've
did,
never said, but I can't believe that. But I have never been in trouble,
I can't.
never once.
The case
But I
goes-
did not do
okay.
that to her.
Let me be here's where we're at. That case is going to a jury,
Okay, well, great.
and then you have to
That's fine.
convince
And
the
this is
jury.
the
you
first time
didn't
I've
touch
seen it. I was here every time.
Okay,
Like, can I please see what you guys said? I would like to see what I said. Because you have to know, my lawyer backed out because she knows it's not true. That's why my lawyer said.
all right, we'll see you next Wednesday. All right, thank you.
You told me that, good.
Next Wednesday.
Next Wednesday?
Yep.
Well, that's not bad.
And
Well,
you
I don't
have to have a
understand.
lawyer, and you have your no contact.
Well, I already
order.
had a lawyer.
All right, Ms. Pippin, why don't you come up to the table and have a seat?
Well, like I said, I don't know anybody here, so. So why can't we do it after?
Just have a seat at the table, Ms. Pippin. So last week, when we were here in court, your attorney withdrew from your case.
Right. Because she's mortified.
And we found an
Well, no,
attorney.
he told
Had an
me,
attorney with you
Well-
in this case since it started.
Tracy, show me, I want to see evidence. All right, you have a 4th-degree assault on me for a scratch. Unacceptable.
Ms.
Where
Pippin,
is the woman that has claimed it? I have not spoken. No, I'm not talked to him.
Ms. Pippin, I'd appreciate it if you didn't interrupt me.
Well,
Okay.
this is
It's
huge.
more than just that.
This is
I'm
big.
Requiring you.
No, it's
not to.
big. This is huge.
So Ms. Pippin, let's focus here for a minute on the first question. There's probably a lot of things going on, and we're not gonna skip around. We'll just do them one at a time, okay?
Mhm.
So the first one is about the attorney. I know your attorney withdrew.
Mhm.
Okay, that's between you. I don't know what happened there. But
She did. She's
I
a
still
very
need to
upset.
know-
Mhm.
I still
Oh,
need
you
to
asked.
know, Are you gonna hire a new one? Are you gonna apply for the public defender, or are you gonna do this yourself?
I am going to receive, I will receive everything from you guys today. I will speak to the judge and the 2 other judges that I have been with, and with you as well, that I have been through every single trial, everything went, not one word was said to me. So if you think that's not, my legal rights are to be held, every single one, you need to show me proof, you need to talk. I never said one word. So tell me how you legally do that. So we're not doing that. She needs to be here. If she's claiming I hit her with a scratch, hands down. Just so y'all know too, she got a restraining order, and I told you guys she was gonna get this. She scammed me out of my home. I don't know this woman, and you have a domestic violence against me? Domestic violence for a scratch. Unacceptable. That's a big charge. This is my first. I've never, ever, 55 years old. Never once have I ever been arrested.
Doesn't sound like you're gonna answer my question.
Why? Well, why? Nobody answers anybody's questions here. Everybody's lying. So, yeah. Ridiculous.
So. it sounds
4th
like you
degree
know
assault.
Why you're here? Why don't you tell me that? Ms. Pippin?
Do I know why I'm here?
Yeah, why are you in court?
Because they said that She said that I hit her.
Who?
Cindy,
And
well, where is she?
so Cindy said you hit her.
I did
And
not
now-
touch her. I don't even know her. Do you know what happened? I lived in Roy 17 years. Homeowner. That woman came after my husband died and scammed me. She owes me 800 grand for my home and $1 million now that you Washington State y'all are getting on. So that's 2 million this week. I've been telling you guys every day, Cindy Bottoms is stole my property and she's selling it. I have it on every day, but I can't contact her. And now I find out that it's not true. I try to help you all. But you believed her. It's not true. This is what she does. It's her business.
Just hold on. Ms. Pittman.
Well, no.
I've got serious doubts that you actually understand the nature of the charges, the proceedings in this case. And I'm on my own motion here. Based
How
on
is it possible when
behavior
Cindy has
and
like 30?
interaction with you, I'm gonna order a competency evaluation.
Why?
So
No, absolutely not. Because no, you're not. Because Cindy said something about that. Let me see the stuff. I don't understand. You're just mad. Well, that's fine. Let me see the injuries. Let me see a police report. I was beaten up in your jail. Get those guards here. I was beaten up in your jail. I have lost everything because of her.
I'm gonna order this competency evaluation to see if you're actually able to proceed in this case or not.
What do you mean proceed? You don't know what I have been through with this woman. She has 4,000 things on my Facebook. Why can I hear you, sir? Please talk to me.
I'm not talking to you.
Okay,
So,
well,
Ms. Pippin, I'm gonna set a competency hearing date.
why? Because Cindy said something. See, this is what I'm trying to say. How is it possible when she has 30 felonies? How is that possible? I'm calling them more today. I've already talked to the Supreme Court.
So Ms. Pippin, that hearing's gonna be on September 24th.
No, these are not accurate. I called the police. They don't have anything. They told me yesterday in the court when I was here that I have a warrant.
Is that-
For what?
Put this on TV. All right, so Ms. Pippin, as I said, we're gonna have a competency hearing to determine if you're able to proceed in this case.
What do you mean proceed?
As part of that,
I have been here this whole time, all 9 days. Where's Cindy Bottoms been?
we're
Well,
gonna have.
well, no,
you-
nobody's talked. I have not said, you need to show me everything that I said, every single one. What I said, every single one. I have not said one word, not one word. Can't go ahead in case we you shut. So I know my laws. Ridiculous. I can't believe this.
that for date and time.
Show me proof. Show me injuries today. Show me.
Your Honor, at this time, the state has a motion for the DPA.
Maybe what?
We're going to dismiss without prejudice.
Yeah, I bet.
Well, that changes the picture a little bit.
Bet.
Ms. Pippin.
Thank you.
So the
Yeah,
assault charge against you is dismissed.
yeah, I bet. This is unright. I'm going to get a lawsuit against the whole district because of you. Because $2 million you owe me today. Make sure I get all my money that I've paid for harassment from the police.
And then Ms. Bogas, we're gonna need a rescission of the no contact order.
But no contact, okay, so what, Cindy, so listen, Cindy is a client. I don't even know the woman, but she can come in here and lie. She's 3 felonies. I tried to help Washington State because I've been a taxpayer 30 years. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Lord. Yeah, make sure that judge, man. He got a restraining order. Now you're talking.
Are you folks here? Yeah, you're here.